and this is going to be in the guidebook that I'm creating, so this is a little preview of it, kind of explaining what an assertive style is compared to I've already done refined style. That's basically what it comes down to. If you look at the shapes in a room, you can tell what the style is. This room has got a lot of curves and it's symmetrical because sometimes in assertive styles, you also see curves, but they're not symmetrical. Like, I know you've seen these couches that have like the bump in the middle, like it's really curvy. The other thing that you want to look for is lifelike art. So if you look at these pictures, those are the actual expression of what it really looks like, but it's not a picture. So here's another one that has that. And they have a lot of intricate carvings and ornate details. Also, it copies nature a lot. So like that one has flowers and this one has trees. So it's like copying nature, and that's really what gives it this refined look. Then if you go to, this one's a cohesive room. So we're looking